Football traders, listen up. Today is packed with opportunities, and I've got the number one trade that you do not want to miss. We're looking at Esbjerg versus Middelfart, kicking off at 6 p.m. GMT. This is my top trade of the day with 85% confidence, and here's why. Middelfart's form is an absolute disaster. We're talking 5 straight losses, managing to score only 2 goals in that entire stretch. On the other hand, Esbjerg are flying, with 3 wins in a row and a rock-solid home record. Their head-to-head history is completely one-sided, favoring Esbjerg heavily. So here's the strategy. We are going to lay the draw. The odds are currently sitting around 3.8 to 4.0. An early goal from Esbjerg, which is highly likely, will cause those draw odds to collapse. We can then back the draw at the new, lower price to lock in a fantastic profit, regardless of the final result. Simple, effective, and backed by solid data. Good luck out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily trades.